Hello everyone, today we'll be doing the workbook solution for standard 5 for looking around, that is environmental studies for semester 2, and it's chapter number 12. What if this will be finished? Firstly, we'll be doing the MCQs. First one, what is used as fuel in motorcycles? It's option number C, petrol. Second one, what is used as fuel in trucks? It's option number B, diesel. Third one, what is used as fuel in auto rickshaws to cause less smoke emission? It's option number A, CNG. Fourth one, Leela's mother stays in a village. What might she be using as fuel for her chilla to make rotlas? It's option number B, wood. Fifth one, Jayshree puts one gadget out in the sun to make khichdi. What is this gadget known as? It is option number C, a solar cooker. Sixth one, due to which light do vehicles stop at crossroads? It's option number D, red. Seventh one, which of the following vehicles run without fuel? It's option number B, bicycle. Eighth one, which of the following is not a component of petroleum? It's option number D, CNG. Now, question number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, petrol is used as fuel in scooters. Second one, coal is used as fuel in trains. Third, when the light turns green at crossroads, vehicles move ahead. Fourth, there is a zebra crossing on roads for pedestrians to cross over to the other side. Fifth, diseases of the lungs are caused due to smoke emitted from vehicles. Sixth one, cow dung cakes made from dung of cows and buffaloes is used as fuel. Seventh one, at present, LPG is used as fuel for cooking food in households. Now we will continue with question number 3, that is true or false. First one, traffic rules are for the benefit of people, it is true. Second one, diesel is necessary to run a motorcycle, it is false. Third one, sun is the basic source of energy, it is true. Fourth one, petrol and diesel must be used judiciously, it is true. Fifth one, we should keep the engine of our vehicle running when the railway crossing is closed, it is false. Sixth one, fuel is saved by vehicles running on solar energy, it is true. Seventh one, pollution is not spread when wood and cow dung cakes are used as fuel, it is false. Eighth one, petrol and diesel are obtained from under the earth, it is true. Now we will continue with question number 4. Match the following. First one, petrol. It's option number D, motorcycles. Second one, diesel. It's option number A, trucks and buses. Third one, CNG. It's option number E, auto rickshaws. Fourth one, coal. It's option number B, trains. Now question number 5, that is answer in one or two sentences. First one is, which vehicles run without petrol and diesel? So the answer is bicycles and pedal rickshaws run without petrol and diesel. In some cities, vehicles like buses, auto rickshaw and cars also run without petrol or diesel. That is, they run on CNG and electricity. Second question, which vehicles need petrol and diesel as fuel? So buses, cars, auto rickshaws, scooters, motorcycles, etc. Third one, what do we obtain from the petroleum we get from under the earth? So answer is petrol, kerosene, diesel, engine oil and the special fuel needed for airplanes. Fourth one, which states of India have oil fields? So the answer is Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, West Bengal, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh. Fifth one, what is the other name of mineral oil? So the answer is petroleum. Sixth one, why is the price of petrol and diesel going up? So the answer is the production of petrol and diesel is decreasing while its consumption is increasing on a daily basis. Therefore, the price of petrol and diesel are going up. Seventh one, state the full form of LPG. So the answer is liquefied petroleum gas. Eighth one, state the full form of CNG. So the answer is compressed natural gas. Ninth one, where are traffic signals seen in cities? So the answer is, in cities, traffic signals are seen at crossroads for proper management of traffic. Tenth one, how many colors of lights are there in a traffic signal? Which? So there are three colors of lights in a traffic signal. So they are red, yellow and green. 11th one, at which light do vehicles stop? So the answer is red. 12th one, at which light do vehicles that have stopped move forwards? It is green. 13th one, what is the zebra crossing used for? So the answer is the zebra crossing seen at crossroads is used by pedestrians when they want to cross over to the other side of the road. Now we will continue with question number 6. Answer the following questions. First one, how does the smoke coming out from vehicles cause problems? So the answer is we can suffer from ailments like cold, cough, headache, burning eyes, asthma, and diseases related to the lungs due to smoke coming out of vehicles. We feel suffocated due to smoke. We can see smog in winter mornings due to smoke in the air. Thus, smoke causes a lot of problems. Now, second question, what kind of problems do we experience from noise of vehicles, that is honking? We have headaches, we experience mental stress, the eardrums are affected, deafness is seen due to staying too long in highly noisy area, a person becomes short tempered. Third one, what problems can we face from the speeding vehicles? So the answer is more petrol or diesel is consumed. There is a possibility of accident due to which the lives of people traveling in the vehicles and those who become victims is in danger. Fourth one, what kinds of problems will we face if the number of vehicles keeps on increasing? So the answer is there will be more traffic on the roads, air and noise pollution will increase, there will be parking issues, people's health will be adversely affected by pollution, there will be scarcity of petrol and diesel. Fifth one, we should use petrol and diesel judiciously. Why? So the answer is the proportion of vehicular use has increased a lot in today's world. Due to it, the consumption of petrol and diesel has also increased. Petrol and diesel is not made in the earth as fast as we take it out. It takes lakhs of years for these fuels to form under the earth. That is why we should use petrol and diesel judiciously. Sixth one, suggest some ways to deal with the problems arising out of the growing number of vehicles. So the answer is go walking or use the bicycle to reach the places that are a short distance away. People should avoid using a car for just one person. Public transport should be used to reach one's working place. There should be a traffic awareness campaign to increase people's understanding and knowledge about traffic. Seventh one, suggest some ways to save fuel. So the answer is public transport should be used more and more. Private vehicles should be used as sparingly as possible. Vehicle engine should be shut down while waiting at the red signal or the railway crossing. Solar energy should be used increasingly. Solar cookers should be used to cook some of the food. Eighth one, why is petroleum known as black gold? So the answer is petroleum is a thick black oily liquid. It is also found under the ground just like gold is. Innumerable useful things are obtained from petroleum. In this way, petroleum is also a mineral as precious as gold, so it is known as black gold. Ninth one, what is done to petroleum in a refinery? Explain. Petroleum obtained from an oil well is impure, that is, there are many things mixed in it. To clean and separate these, it is sent to a refinery through pipes or in a tanker. At the refinery, petroleum products such as petrol, kerosene, diesel, petroleum gas, etc., are separated and obtained by the fractional distillation of petroleum, which takes place in a distillation tower. Now we'll continue with question number 7. Answer as asked. First one, what would happen if you don't get petrol or diesel for a week in your village or town? So the answer is there will be a lot of difficulties. We will have to stop using vehicles like scooter, motorcycles, car, etc. Mills and factories will stop functioning, generators will not work, all businesses and trade will stop, the economy of the nation will suffer in the long run. Second one, state the six main traffic rules. First, its answer is it is essential to always drive the vehicle only on the left side of the road. When there is more traffic, the speed of the vehicle should be limited. Signals at crossroads have to be strictly obeyed. The use of side light should be done in a correct way. There are various signals on the roads, each of them has to be obeyed strictly. Pedestrians must use the zebra crossing to go across the road at any crossroad. Now, the question number 3, look at the bar chart and answer the questions that follows. So, firstly, you just need to understand this bar graph and then you need to answer the questions that are given below. The first question is, in year 1996, out of 100, how many houses used cow dung cakes and wood? It is 75. Second one, which was the fuel used the least in 1976? It is electricity. Third one, in 1976, LPG and kerosene were used in 10 houses, and in 1996, this increased to 18. This means that in 20 years, their use increased by 80%. Fourth one, out of 100, how many houses were using electricity in 1996? So the answer is 5. Question number 8, classify the following fuels into solid, liquid, and gaseous fuels. So, in solid fuels, we will write wood, cow dung cakes, and coal. In liquid fuels, we will write petrol, diesel, and kerosene. In gaseous fuels, we will write LPG and CNG. Now, I'll continue with the activities. First one is make a poster with a message on saving fuel. Write a slogan. 2, poster with a message on saving fuel. So you just need to draw a poster on saving the fuel, and the slogan will be, when you stop at crossroads, shut off the engines. Second question is, observe the traffic signs given below and state what each tells us. So the first one is right turn, second one is hospital ahead, third one no U-turn, fourth one cross the road at the zebra crossing, fifth one no right turn. And the last topic, that is HOTS questions. First one, on which fuel do buses, trucks, and jeeps run? It's option number A, diesel. Second one, what is the effect on human health due to increasing amount of vehicular noise? It is B, deafness in ears. Third one, what was used in olden times for light? It's option number C, a lantern. Fourth one, which component of petroleum is not used as fuel? It's option number D, grease. Here we come at the end of the chapter, that is chapter number 12. What if this will be finished? I hope you have understood the whole chapter. And if you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video.